Hey guys, it's Seren and today I'm making vegan jalapeno popper pull-apart buns with Flora plant. They're filled with jalapenos, vegan cheese, and they're gonna be delicious. Let's get started. We're going to start by making the dough. I'm combining yeast, water, and sugar and allowing the yeast to bloom. I then combine my yeast mixture with the dry ingredients, as well as oat milk and melted Flora plant. This is gonna make the dough really lovely and soft. Bring the mixture together and tip it out onto your surface. Knead the dough for about 5 to 6 minutes until super smooth. Once the dough has been kneaded, place it into an oiled bowl and allow to rise for an hour. Next up is our jalapeno popper filling. I'm using vegan cream cheese, vegan mozzarella, nutritional yeast to give an extra cheesy flavour, fresh jalapenos for heat, and spices to season. Combine the mixture until completely incorporated and set to one side. Oh, my dough is so lovely and soft. Let's finish those buns. Our dough has rested and is lovely and soft from the Flora plant. Roll into a long sausage shape and slice into 8 even pieces. Then roll into individual buns. Repeat the process and place on a baking tray. Once all your buns are rolled, cover loosely with a tea towel for one final rise. After 30 minutes, bring those buns back, brush with oat milk to ensure you've got golden tops. This is going to act like an egg wash. Bake for 25 minutes at 180 degrees. Once baked, slice an X into the buns using a serrated knife. Slice through the bun but leaving the base intact. Then fill your buns with your vegan jalapeno popper mixture. This bread is looking so delicious. They look almost like Japanese milk buns, but they're vegan. Top with vegan cheese and bake. Next, make your delicious chive and Flora plant topping. Combine melted Flora plant and diced chives. This Flora plant is so like butter, and it's gonna make our buns taste so delicious. Once those buns are baked and the cheese has completely melted, cover them in that Flora plant and chive mix. Don't they look amazing? There we have it, our vegan jalapeno popper pull-apart buns made with Flora plant. They are covered in Flora plant and chives and look incredible. Let's give it a taste. So delicious, super cheesy, great jalapeno flavour. They're amazing. The dough is so soft and so light and fluffy from all of the Flora plant that's in there. I love the jalapeno flavour. It gives a really great spice. They have so much cheese in them. They're really super soft from all of that oat milk and the Flora plant. Give them a try and let us know how you get on.